Web.com overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to Web.com, which is a company that provides various web services for businesses and individuals, including domain registration, web hosting, website design, and online marketing solutions. They offer user-friendly tools and templates to create and manage websites, catering to both novices and experienced users. Web.com aims to help businesses establish and enhance their online presence through their comprehensive range of web-related services. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So this is the main page of our platform. We have the websites right here, the overview, the AI builder, online store, and so on. Here we have the marketing tools. As you can see, we have the overview, SEO tool, and so on. And here we have the domains, AI domain generator, domain name search, domain privacy, premium DNS, and so on. And here we have the hosting, web hosting, WordPress hosting, security, email, expert services, and the pricing. So let's go and check the pricing of this platform. So we hit and we click on pricing. So as you can see, a plan for every big idea, save up to 60% when you pay yearly. So you have the build monthly, if you want to pay per month, or if you want to pay per year. So the build yearly, you can save up to 60% with and plus a free domain, and you have the build monthly. So you have the plan for website and its price, the one for website and marketing with its own price, and this is the best valued one, which is the online store and its price, and the online marketplace and its price also. And everyone have its own features, and it lacks some features everyone. So as you see here, they have also this one where you can buy it for $150, and it has also its own features, and it's not like the other ones. So let's go back. So if you want to buy any one of these plans, just go and you hit add to cart, and you can proceed to the checkout. So as you see here, you need first to search for a new domain, or you can just choose domain later, and then you can start launching your site in a quick start. So you see, you pay $150, and then you go to add to cart to create your store. So let's go back to the pricing and plans, and let's go back, and I'm going to show you these sections and their work. So we have the websites. As you can see, you can just click overview. So to launch your website in this platform, you need to pay for one of those plans that I already showed you before. So they offer a variety of options to help you with online, whether you build a website, work with their in-house design team, or start an online store where Web.com makes it easy. So this is an example of the stores that are created in this platform. So this is the day website building tools. So they help you in creating your store. And this is the WordPress websites, the easy to use builder. So they have also expert website design, like customized website design and copy, convenient website support, optimized for search engines. So let's go back to the websites and let's see the marketing tools. So they have the SEO tool, business listings, PPC services. So let's hit overview to check the marketing tools. So they have online marketing, get more visitors to your website. As you can see, they have the simple SEO and the business directory, which helps you start fixing on-page SEO issues in minutes and get informative step-by-step guide and so on. You can learn more by clicking this button, or learn more about the business directory by clicking this button. And the thing that I like most about this platform is that it offers affiliates and you can make money by their affiliates programs. So by scrolling down, you can see here the product section, expert services section, support section, resources, and the aboutweb.com section. So you have the about us, reviews, careers, partnerships, and the affiliate program. So you click affiliate program and you wait for it to load, and this is the place when you can sign up and you can promote their website and you can earn from promoting their website. So you can hit join now. So basically the affiliate program is when you refer a friend or a family member to use this website and pay for one of its plans, you get a commission. So every time that friend or that family member of yours pays for a plan, you can make money. So as I said, you can make more money from your traffic and audience. So you just need to fill your information right here, your first name, last name, your email, confirm it, a username, password, you confirm your password, and then you give them your company information, account display name, your company website, country, street address, second street address, city, state, zip, phone number, currency, and your time zone, and you give them your promotional information, you give them your business model, if you are a content or reviews, deal, coupons, loyalty, rewards, creator, network, and so on. You give them your property type, websites, mobile, social networks, and this is the agreement. So you have the payout details, as you can see here, the first one, second one, third one, and how much you get paid per order. So as you can see, it goes to from $10 per order to $100 per order, and for others you get 50% commission. And here you have the payout restrictions and the schedule, the qualified referrals, so the ones that you get paid for, and here you can upload the program terms, and after filling all those informations you can just click sign up and you're ready to go and ready to make money. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like and share the video with your friends and subscribe to our channel.